of Almighty Allah, who is most compassionate and most beneficent, who sent the Quran as beacon of guidance and mercy for humanity. Honorable Chief Guest, respected judges, director, teachers, and dear listeners, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, I want to say, what though the field is lost? All is not lost. The unconquerable will and the study of revenge, immortal hate, and the courage never to submit or yield. Mr. President, let the audience know that every seed that sprouts, every flower that blossoms, every wave that glides, every star that twinkles, every dawn that breaks, every snow that falls, and every rain that rains, pronounces highly and announces loudly that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Mr. President, the Prince of Machiavelli, the poetry of Allama Iqbal, the dirty politics of Nehru, the positive politics of Quaid-e-Azam, the struggle of Gandhi and the efforts of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan proclaim that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Mr. President, from the drama of the first burn on the screen of the first creation, to the interesting guilt of the creation of universe, from asking angels to go before Adam to appointing them as caretaker on him, from making men the in charge of heaven to appointing them as vice talent on earth, from jumping through your blessing to the fire of Namrud on the mountain of Mansur and Gelas, from the victory of brother to the victims of Karbala, every commandment of Kun Fayakun, every incident of history, and every particle of universe claim that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Dear listeners, what happens? What happens when a man focuses on the hell inside him? History says when a man chose the hate to the hell inside him, there happens the fall of Troy. The attacks of Pearl Harbor, the atom bombs of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the decline of Great Roman oppression, empire of Mughal kingdom, Jalaluddin, Muhammad Akbar and the Ottoman era. I weep upon the fall of Hiroshima. I weep upon the fall of Damascus. I weep upon the fall of Dhaka, and I fall upon the thorns of life. I believe, Mr. President, my Kashmir is bleeding, my Palestine is bleeding, and my Karbala is still bleeding. Dear listeners, is it not the irony of nature that we restart there arose an objection on the creation of men? Then Satan refused to go before Adam, then Adam was turned down to the earth. He had to go before idols of 1,000 times. Genghis and Halaku Khan built the minarets of dead bodies, sometimes soaked away from the floors, sometimes swept away from the pandemics, and sometimes sold out in the bazaars of Egypt. But Mr. President, when I realized the heaven inside us, I became Moses and stood against. I became Socrates and drank poison. I became Galileo, I became Archimedes. I became Hindi, Rumi and Razi. I became Karni, Sadi and Shirazi. I realized the heaven inside us, and I chose to become Rashid Minhas Bhatti, and to become Narak Jan, and to become Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. Because I believe it's neither circumstances nor material things that decides, but it's our determination that decides either we want hell inside us or heaven. Mind is its own place, and in itself can make the heaven of hell and hell of heaven. Mr. President, as long as well will be amazed by the work of Arthur Karim, Indian soldier will be recalled the patriotism of soldier Makbul. Dark lights will be done by the sun of determination. The hell outsider will be defeated by the heaven inside us. Then the world will be gone by Warafana Laka Zikrak, and I will believe and proclaim that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. And what if there is hell inside us? There is also heaven, and it's up to you what you choose, and my choice is heaven. I would like your permission with this poetry. जिन्हें हिला न सका समंदर का तूफान भी, जिन्हें हिला न सका समंदर का तूफान भी, हमारी अज़्म ने तोड़ दी है वो चट्टानें भी। मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहिए, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार बनते हैं। थैंक यू।